Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say zero, the number. In French, how do you pronounce this word? We'll be looking at how to say more interesting French numbers and French names and French vocabulary, brand names, etc. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say this? Zéro. Zéro is how you say it in French, so the accent on the E there means that it's the sound E rather than O, E. Zéro. Zéro is French for zero, and you can use that word just in English to say that somebody is really bad or really not very good at something. He's a zero. You can also say un zéro to somebody or talking about somebody. Same as in English. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting French vocabulary, interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there for more learning. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.